In today's video, we're going to look at EPS, which had a catalyst on the 17th of June and made a 56% move. We're going to analyze its catalyst and see how you could have traded it. If you're new here, I provide daily catalyst-based day trading analysis and weekly catalyst-based swing trading analysis. So if you want to develop an edge around news and catalysts that spark explosive stock moves, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So EPS, so they reported earnings on the 16th of June after hours. Let's look at their financial results in more detail. So Digital Turbine ENC on Monday reported a loss of $18 million in its fiscal fourth quarter. How is that a good news? Well, we'll see in a minute why that was actually bullish. On a per share basis, the Austin, Texas-based company said it had a loss of 18 cents. Earnings, adjusted for amortization costs and stock option expenses, came to 10 cents per share. You see, they are leading with the earnings and earning per share. That's actually a key point. Okay, let's continue. The mobile software company posted revenue of 119 million in the period. Digital Turbine expects full year revenue in the range of 515 million to 525 million. In the final minutes of trading on Monday, the company shares hit $481. A year ago, they were trading at $147. Okay, now, you see, they were leading with the EPS. So let's look at the EPS and see what's going on. You will see that this is actually the key point. So we're looking at the earnings performance of EPS here. And as you can see, the last thing reported here is the fourth quarter of 2024 and the 10 cents here reported. And then the surprise was 150%. And actually, this is the reason the stock reacted very positively to this news, because there was a surprise of 150% of its EPS compared to analyst consensus. They still reported a loss compared to the same period the previous year. So I still had a cautious approach to trading this stock and I was watching it very closely, but it was on my watch list. So let's see now how the stock reacted to this news. Okay, so we're looking at the 2-minute chart of EPS, and as you can see, right off the gate, there was a lot of volume and the stock started trending higher from the open. So say if you had a lot of confidence in the catalyst, and if you had this much volume and the stock trending higher right from the open, that's really all you need in order to have confidence to enter the trade kind of immediately. But because of the reservations that I mentioned before about the loss that was reported, it's better to have a cautious approach and see how the stock behaves around the first pullback. In this case, there wasn't much of a pullback, to be honest. There was a sort of like a sideways action here, and the stock continued trending higher. And so this is where the trade was. So let's see how much of a amplitude of the move. So 26%, you could easily capture 20% of that. And the stock continued trending above VWAP, which is also a very good sign, and finished the session at around $750 a share. So I would keep an eye on this stock potentially for a swing or a delayed reaction. So it might give back some of the gains, but it might also trend higher in a few days. So to make a quick recap, this was an EPS surprise of 150%, and I think this was the key point of this particular catalyst. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos, and thank you for watching.